Hi guys, welcome to Big Talks. Today date is 15th of May and 2020, and today right now the time is 9:56. I'm about to take one of the position in Hindalco. I have already taken the two position because as I have told you earlier also, because in Hindalco the MACD indicator is the best fitted. So today I have incorporated MACD indicator with uh, VWAP indicator. So I will just tell you in a short time that what is a VWAP indicator. So wait, I have to take a position. So if your candle is coming down towards completely coming down towards this black line or the VWAP line, then you have to sell. And if the candle is coming up, is going up, and it passes over this black line or VWAP line, then you have to take a buy position. For example, I have taken buy position here and completely here, and I can take a rally of this approximate 1 to 2%. Yeah, I have to take a sell position right here. Wait, just give me one sec. 200, and this is 118.75 or 118.70. Hmm. Okay. So I will just tell you after some time. So I'm just right now pausing the video, and if I take the position, I will just confirm you that. हाय गाइस, अभी तक मैंने कोई भी नहीं लिया है, अभी कोई भी पोजीशन नहीं लिया है. As of now, I have not taken any of the position right now. But in the morning, I have taken two positions, and I will just show you that how I have taken the positions. So I have taken two positions, and my profit is 175. I just want to tell you, everyone, this is completely for beginner. Okay, this whole series is completely for beginner. So that's why we are only targeting uh, 1 to 3%, 1% or 2% of profit or 3% of profit, with a quantity cap of 200 quantity of stocks or 300 quantity of stocks, between 200 to 300. So you can see that I have placed a sell option for Hindalco at the 200 quantity at 19930, and I just booked after 11880. I will show you how I have done that. Okay, what makes me to do that? So this was the reason that why I thought, actually I just sell at this point of time. This one, yeah, here I have I have sought I have short sell at 9:30, and I then gain at here. So first of all, the reason was it was giving me a sell option from MACD indicator. Okay, and second most thing was that after going to the high of this was the today's high. So definitely I thought the stock will come down and it will touch the VMAP line, and after VMAP line also it will go down. So that was a mindset before going through this stock. And now we can see that there is a double top formation is going on. This is a double top formation. This is the first top and then second top. As you know that the double top formation is for reversal. So this is a trend reversal, and definitely the whole stock will come down. Okay, so that's all from today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and share as much you as can. Thank you.